Hi all, welcome to our channel. This is regarding how we can making for Instagram Reel, Facebook Reel, and YouTube Shorts. People are mostly struggling for how we can making a videos. So I had so much of shy. I'm unable to make the videos with the voice-oriented videos. How to make it? So Canva increased by the most of the reel videos. The reel videos, how we can this? So there's a Rocky festival. We are making a lot of Rocky videos. Everything which is the most happening. The video time, any kind of video will be created. The most of the things reel part. So reel making purpose, any particular sizes are there? Yes, compulsory sizes are there. The sizes will be in a particular video size 1080 into 1920 pixel. This video we can reach into the more audience. So everything is fine. You say about the we can make the video with the reel option. But I have the no idea about the how we can make the video. That is regarding first of all, you must create a content. The content will be converted as a voice type. That is the purpose. MikeMonster.com. We can log in with your account. Up to 300 characters will be free. So we can using this all option. So we can use this one. So what are the content you have to use it? Use this content here. Is a Rocket is the best digital marketing services at the best price in Pragati Nagar, Hyderabad. So we can call Hyderabad. Don't repeat. Number of times will be no need to repeat here. Why? Because already as I mentioned will be Hyderabad is done. Contact here. So here is that. In this content, I will generating by the voice. So it is any chargeable? Nothing. Before generating file, listen carefully here. When your file will be uploading any kind of languages, they will be using for Indian language also applicable, German language applicable, any language will be applicable will be here. Select it and click for this particular language and click for generating the file. Sometimes the server will be updation time. The voice generating will be taking some time will be here. So that time, so which is when I am creating for generating file, it is not working. So simple solution, another website will be there from text-to-speech.com. Here we can add n number of characters. No certain limit is there. When it is not working for Mike Monster, we can go on option will be from text-to-speech.com. So what is the difference will be both website. From text-to-speech.com, Indian language is not possible. US English, British English, French, Spanish, Italian, this is a will be there. So here is that we can go with the US English, Daisy, Georgian, Jana, John. So many people are there. Which people is looking for? Go with the slow motion, create a audio file with file was created and click first, download it. Same like when I'm adding this one, click for generating, the voice will be converted on your particular platform. So right now is an updating platform. So right now is not working for the file will be generating to audio version. So once done by the audio version, which is we are downloaded will be here. The file was downloaded. Go to Canva. Already we selecting will be Canva option is there. Yeah, already some of the templates are available into the Canva option. Free Canva, paid Canva, lot of difference. So which is the templates you're looking for? Select by the templates. So what are the templates you can go with? Here is that. We can go with here. And first of all, what are the audio file you will be making here? The file we can download from that and upload will be here along with the voice. When adding this number of templates, how much voice will be there? Up to this. So this is the adding for total 5 templates. Select from here. What are the templates will be here? Last template. And what are the size you looking for in this? Add will be here. What are the web selling? So this all parameters are mandatory fill or not? Every parameters is important to the every website. So right now I'm not using for phone number. Reason is that I have to target the audience will be by website. After this, so we can using this all options. So yeah, everything. So this all future we can give to the in this one. Every screen we can add by the your logo. Logo purpose. Where is the logo will be here? Add the logo will be into this. Some here. So yeah. Video design time. You have to always careful to your content. What are the content you will be created? This is the most important to the audience will be reaching purpose. So so everything will be prepared here. So in this, still is any voice is pending in this little bit. Increase the font. So it will be total 23 seconds and keep it on here. Download as MP4 format. We have the number of resolution, the premium version. Up to we can download will be 4K USD. So we can 1088 pixel will be there, 4K will be there. Anything which is possible, we can download will be in this particular option. I'm download by 4K. Click for download that the video along with the voice. Picturization, you can change it everything. So just I'm give the one some picturization. What are the content required? Any kind of business you will be show onto this, and change will be content, and create the voice will be here, and make the upload will be Instagram reel, Facebook reel, and YouTube shorts. All will be same size. The size will be 1080 into 1920 pixel. So what is the difference will be long and short, which is more reach to the customer. People more interested about the any kind of services, they will be follow the short reels. So these are the market purpose. So many tools are there. The tools we can utilize will be here. Right now I'm give the only for two tools, Mic Master and from text-to-speech.com. So utilize this feature and make your video with voices and upload by the Facebook and Instagram purpose. So anyone we can making a voice oriented videos, which website required. I'll share the every web link into the my channel and my website, Rakesh Tech Solutions. Follow that my blogs. So many blogs I'm written here that all blogs will be what are the web links is required in PPT submission, voice oriented videos, and WhatsApp and everything. Follow here. You get the every link will be given by the in this option. Anything required will be here. Go to home page and searches everything will be available into the my website. If more details, contact our channel. I definitely will be supportive. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.